I want to highlight one thing that Michelle just said, and I hope you guys picked up on it because it was absolute gold. This is a gold nugget. If you don't have any pen and paper, grab one, write this down. She said, make one tiny step. And she mentioned it in terms of clutter. And if what we're talking about today is relationships, what if there was one tiny step that we could make towards repairing a broken relationship that has come about as a result either of our own insecurities or our connection to stuff, that maybe something has become strained or it's not quite the way it needs to be? What if we took one tiny step towards that? And I'm talking really tiny. It doesn't have to be big. What if you sent a text to that person that you've kind of estranged yourself from, or you want to be closer to, but they're not talking to you for whatever reason, and you just send them a quick text and you just say, hey, I'm sending positive vibes your way. You don't have to ask any questions. You don't have to explain anything. A happy emoji, send. That's it. One tiny step. It is amazing how those one tiny steps start building on top of each other, and it starts breaking down those walls that we've put up that are so strong that then create anxiety and stress in our lives.
Your brain is designed to keep you safe and keep you alive. And if you've created a cocoon of clutter, and not just physical clutter, but emotional clutter or overwhelm that then feels like it's caving in on you, then really it's your brain saying, I did this yesterday and it kept me alive. So I'm too frightened to do anything different. And I know I'll keep myself safe if I just do the very same thing today. So sometimes you need a mentor or a guide. That would be a clear signal. If you don't know how to get out of this situation, then it's time to reach out to someone to say, can you help me with this? And when you find someone who you feel safe with, who can actually help you through to become the person you want to become, to create a clear, well-lit path, not only physically in your home down the hall and on the table, but also to step into the person you'd like to become, that shows a self-trust. It grows your self-confidence and self-worth and self-value in such a way that that invites the right people into your life naturally, because you're sending out the message that you value yourself. Therefore, you will be automatically sending the message to invite someone in that says, I value you as much and more that you value yourself.